Morning. Morning, everyone.
Hey, what up, girl?
Happy Sunday. Today, it's a gorgeous day. It's an absolutely beautiful day today. Loads of people out on the river, on their boats, on their little kayaks. I don't know. They're out on the water. I am going into town today just to get a few bits and bobs. That's irrelevant, okay? Today's video, we're going to be sorting this mop out. As you saw in my last video, my January faves, I got the Shark Flex Styler. I'm really excited about it. I've used it once, like properly, and a lot of you were saying on my last video that you wanted a get ready with me with a Flex Styler. All of you said that because I messaged you asking you to comment, so thanks for that, girlies, you have my back. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with my Flex Styler. I'm going to be showing you my haircare routine, what I do, all for the purposes of this video, because normally I just let it get disgustingly greasy and sweaty after being at the gym like a week, and then I just wash it and blow dry it. But you're going to see the full version because you asked for it. So we're gonna wash my hair, we're gonna do my like styling treatments that I do, and then we're gonna do the hair, and then I'll do a bit of makeup. So stay tuned. Here we are in the bathroom. Let me put you down somewhere. I'm gonna be washing my hair with my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner, and then I put all the little stickers on. So cute. Not sponsored, wish it was. This is the pink, I don't know what the information is. I can't even remember what scent it is. It smells nice. I think I got peach or something. Anyways, normally I put a bit of rosemary oil and a bit of leave-in conditioner. I don't know why I keep talking Australian, in my hair, but I try and only do that once a week. It's so greasy. Oh my god, no judgment, please. Yeah, I only do that once a week, and I did that a few days ago. So I'm just going to be washing my hair raw. It needs a wash, to say the least. I can't show you me in the shower, obviously, but I'm just going to wash with my shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll see you after. We're back from the shower, and I've washed my hair. I put on my, oh, it smells so nice. I put on my Instagram story, should I do a Q&A or a chat with me? And you guys all said Q&A, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting the excess water out of my hair, and then we're finished with that. Got my full setup, I've got my Shark here, I've got my bits, got my mirror in front of me, so we're all good to go. What's the first thing that I'm doing? Putting my Olaplex stuff in. So I'm starting with my number 6 bonder, and I don't brush it yet, I just put this all the way through. And then I put my hair oil in as well. It's like a heat protectant oil, which is this one. The number 7 bonding oil. And then my hands are all creamy and I can't get the lid open. Good face. There we go. And then I just do my oil, and I just do however much. You guys don't really care. You don't care. I'm gonna get into the Q&A. So, no one asked me any questions because they just didn't. So, I literally just went on Google and typed up Q&A questions. My life is so sad. So you're supposed to have it like 80 to 90% dry to do the curl thing. So I'm just gonna dry it quickly. Hair is pretty much dried. It's supposed to still be like a little bit damp. It's cool. I don't know, sometimes I do it too wet, sometimes I do it too dry. It is what it is. Moving on to the next question. Ow. What's the last program that I watched? I literally, like an hour ago, just finished season 2 of White Lotus. Oh my god, if you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. It's so funny. Me and mum were obsessed with it. We've just finished season 2 in literally like a few days. I don't even know how to start describing it. There's 2 seasons. One of them set in Hawaii and one of them set in Sicily, in Italy. And it's literally insane. Like any storyline you can think of and it comes up. Please, please, please watch it. And then I watched Pamela Anderson's documentary the other day on Netflix, and it was really sad. I feel really bad for her. Next, I'm going to put the smoother head on. and just smooth my hair. All smooth. Ow, that's hot. Get off. If I won the lottery, what would I do? See, I'm gonna be really boring and say that I would like invest it, but in like property. Like I really want to get a house. I feel like I would probably do that. I'd probably spend it and like piss it out the wall as well, but I just feel like getting a house, I'll have somewhere to live, so that's fun. And then it's an investment because I could then like rent it out or whatevsies. So that would be fun. What else would I do? I'd probably go on holiday. I hate people when they're like, oh, I'd probably share it with family and friends. No, obviously not. I won that money. Finders keepers losers weep as far as I'm concerned. Sucks to be. Oh God. Curling now. Fun. That wasn't a very good one. I don't know why. I would like section it, but I can't be bothered. So I'm not going to. Next question. If I could live anywhere, where would it be and why? I always wanted to, when I was younger, I always wanted to live in Hawaii. I don't know why, it just looks really pretty. I just want to be near water, like, I want to live like near a lake. Like when I'm like older, like I've had kids and whatever, I want to live near a lake so that I can like, can you imagine just being on the lake? It would be so fun. You can have like kayaks and whatever. It's so good. It's really hard to talk to you guys and do this at the same time. I don't know whether to section it. No, I can't be bothered. Let's do more stuff about me. Let's find out more about me. When I was younger, I think just Max had bunk beds in his room. And I used to think I was Mary Poppins. So I used to get all the umbrellas that we had in the house and I would climb up on the top bunk of Max's bed and I would jump off because I thought I'd be able to fly. And my dad used to shout at me because he said that I would break the I was literally like 3 and I thought it was Mary Poppins. And one time, me and my friend Alison, if you're watching this, I hope you remember this, our year 1 teacher, Mrs. Nichols, said that she had, this comes across as a really weird, creepy story, but it's not, said that she had these like teddy bears for us, like she told us in school that she had these teddy bears, and she lived on the same like housing complex as me, and I remember we just left the house like at 4 and just like went off to find my primary school teacher's house so that we could get these bloody like little cat teddies, and we got told off so bad, and I remember Alison got the one that I wanted. And I was so angry because I got told off and I didn't even get the cat teddy that I wanted. I was so upset. Look, I look like I'm from like Pride and Prejudice or something. Look, first one on my head, so pretty, right? I always leave my fringy bits, so just ignore those because I'll tackle those later. Look at the difference. The difference. Is it really dark? Is that just me? Voila, finito. It's giving Victoria's Secret model hair. It's giving big slay. It's giving volume. It's giving curls. It's giving that took me 20 minutes, maybe. Pardon me. All in all, review of the Shark. Best thing I've ever bought. Mwah. Love her so much. She's my girlie. She's my best friend. And I'm ready for the day now. I'm ready for the day. I've got my hair ready. Thanks for watching. Sorry, this was really random. I don't know why I get really awkward when I do stuff. Look, she's looking gorge. My hair looking gorge. But yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys.